Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the art integration activity. Okay, in this activity, you have to explain Newton's law of motion and rotation of Earth by making a sketch. Okay, you have to explain Newton's law of motion and rotation of Earth by a sketch. For example, it is shown in the next sketch. Look at this sketch. It is explained the law of conservation of energy. Okay, in the same way you have to explain Newton's law of motion and rotation of Earth through a sketch. Okay, you can make this sketch on a A4 size sheet or A3 or on a chart paper. Okay, there are many examples which I will show you right now. Look at these examples. It is again based on law of conservation of energy. Look how the sketch is made, which is explaining the conservation of energy. Okay, and this sketch is again based on the conservation of energy. In this sketch, it is explained the Newton's law of gravitation, that how apple is falling from a tree under the effect of gravity. And in the next sketch, the concept of potential and kinetic energy is explained. Okay, in the same manner, in the same way, you have to explain the rotation of Earth and Newton's law of motion through a sketch. I hope it is clear to all the students that how you will make the sketch.